With this furry bodyguard, you're never alone, even in the most private moments. The human's bed is merely the foundation upon which the boss's bed rests. Privacy and class are essential. The cat army is watching a free bird circus. Impressive flying show, cats are amazed. When dad shows off his styling skills. Limited edition blonde cat, too cute to handle. Diligent farmer cat, helping to till the soil before watering. Every time it stands up, it's a mental battle between willpower and the cozy floor. Cherish these moments, they don't last forever. Let your fur babies feel your love beside you. Such a peaceful and sweet moment. Who wouldn't want a little buddy to cherish? Want some fresh air, but the window is latched? Easy peasy. Unlatched it in the blink of an eye. Dad, the comfiest chair for the boss. Even busy gaming never forgets belly rub duty.
Сегодня будет туса, сегодня напьюся, сегодня будет сегодня напьюся, у меня выходной, сегодня будет туса, я сегодня напьюся, сегодня будет.
A gentle lesson from the big bro, or just testing the little one's durability?